Existing limits continue to apply to certain items up to 2 liters of alcoholic beverages. There has been a latest change and update on the duty free custom and baggage rules for all the international travelers arriving to India now in 2026. What are those changes? What are those rules? We'll go through everything in this video, guys. So I've also made a note of it on my mobile. So I'll be going through this one by one. So please watch this video till the end. Now before that, I'm forced to put out this banner because I keep on getting the latest information for you and you're not subscribing to my channel. So please do hit the subscribe button because 98% who are regularly watching my channel are non-subscribers, guys. So please do hit the subscribe button and support my channel. So the latest update is the duty-free allowance is now 75,000 increase from the earlier 50,000 limit applicable to residents and travelers of Indian origin arriving by air, land or sea. So this is the allowance you had exactly like around 50,000. Now it is being added additional 25,000 rupees. So it is overall 75,000 rupees of duty-free allowance. So please do remember this whenever you're coming to India. Follow the latest rules and keep updated to my channel so you get these kind of information very regularly on my channel. The second update is new laptop provision. Now whenever we go abroad, especially to countries like UAE, Dubai, we tend to buy laptop, especially MacBook, because it is very cheaper compared to India, or people are getting it from US, which is actually very cheap. Now the laptop provision allowance is one new laptop is permitted duty free per passenger aged 18 years or above. This allowance is separate from 75,000 rupees duty free limit. So there is a difference between 75,000 rupees and the laptop, the new laptop you're trying to purchase in another country and get it to India. Now a lot of people feel that you don't have to throw the box. I don't have to get the box. It's a new laptop. What do I tell customs, etc. If you know the rules and the regulations properly, guys, you don't have to be worried about anything. And definitely laptops, especially MacBooks, are cheaper in Dubai and are cheaper in UAE compared to India, definitely. So that is one very big advantage. The next update is jewelry norms updated. Now jewelry norms have been getting a lot of questions over the last few years on what is the jewelry limit and how many grams can we carry. The earlier value-based limits on jewelry have been removed. Eligible travelers may now carry jewelry duty-free based on prescribed limit and weightage. Now customs duty has been reduced. So jewelry weightage limits, guys, when I want to tell you, it's women can carry up to 40 grams of jewelry duty-free, while men and other passengers may carry up to 20 grams, subjected to conditions including overseas residence of over 1 year. Now all these rules, whatever I'm telling you guys, I'll try to link it in the description below. I know it may be confusing initially, but please do check in the description as well. This information is going to be very helpful for you. And the next update is customs duty reduced. Custom duty on excess items has been reduced to 10%. Earlier it was 20%, effective April 1st of 2026. Now digital declarations are now available of high goods. Pets are included under duty-free norms. So all this information comes in very handy when you have excess of baggage, or when you're carrying pets, or when you have done some luggage service. Then this information is going to be very handy and very helpful for you. I'll not stress too much on this point, guys, because this is very rare in terms of we regular international travelers carrying pets or shipping heavy luggage from a different country. So please remember this information. And what remains unchanged? Now there's a lot of things that remains unchanged what I'm going to speak about, and the famous thing about what remains unchanged is the alcohol limit. Now whenever I go to trip, there'll be one of my friend at least telling, get me 2 bottles, get me 3 bottles, get me 4 bottles, please get me alcohol. So what is the limit? Let's try to understand. Existing limits continue to apply to certain items up to 2 liters of alcoholic beverages. 10 cigarettes and restricted items remain subject to current regulations. So there is absolutely no change when it comes to getting alcohol in duty free from different countries, or coming to Bangalore or coming to India and buying duty free. The limit is 2 liters and that is not changed. So I hope this information was very helpful, guys. So these are the things you have to be really careful about, and this is not the last or end of it. You have to be careful and you have to be very attentive whenever you're carrying or you have a doubt of carrying multiple items, or the alcohol limit, or what is the custom duty limit. Everything needs to be studied and analyzed properly before you even try to think of coming to custom duty. You can't say that I don't know. It's your responsibility to know the latest rules. Whatever we discussed in this video, guys, I'll try to link it in the description below. So please do check it out. I'll catch you guys in my next video.